3 times 2x plus 1 is greater or equal to 1 over 3 times 2x minus 9. Before we can do anything here, we need to distribute the number outside the bracket, that is multiplying the number outside the bracket by each term in the bracket. So 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 1 is 3, greater or equal to 1 over 3 times 2x is 2x over 3, 1 over 3 times negative 9 is 3. Look at this, 1 over 3 times 9. 3 here 1, 3 here 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. I have that here. Okay, now with this, we need to collect items. 6x and 2x over 3 are alike because both of them are terms in x. This is plus 2x over 3. When it crosses the sign of inequality, it becomes minus 2x over 3. Greater than or equal to negative 3. This is positive 3 here. When it crosses the sign of inequality, it becomes negative 3. Now solving this fraction here, we're going to look for LCM of 1 and 3, which is 3 itself. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Multiplied by this 6 is 18x. Then minus 3 divided by 3, 1. Multiplied by 2 is 2x. All over 3 is greater than or equal to negative 3, negative 3. That's minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. And this is over 1. To cross multiply, to get rid of this 3 here, I have 18x minus 2x is 16x. Greater or equal to 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. So divide both sides by 16. X therefore is greater or equal to negative 18 over 16.